Hello everyone, my name is Samir Joshi. I'm a financial planner and I'm going to add value to your financial well-being.
So Samir, I have lump sum around 15 lakh rupees.
Okay.
So I want to ask you, should I repay my home loan or should I invest it somewhere? What should I do?
Well, this is really a nice question and a lot of clients come up with these queries many a times. But this is a subjective question, so I'd like to first ask you some questions before answering this.
Sure, go ahead.
Yeah. So, is this a home loan?
Yeah, it's a home loan.
Great, excellent. And if I may ask you, how much would be your annual income roughly?
Roughly it comes to around 10 lakhs.
10 lakhs. Great. Well, there are so many other technical questions that we ask our clients generally. Questions like, are they the only earning source in the family, etc. So with these two questions, what I can understand is that the straight answer is to invest the savings instead of paying off the loan. I'll have rationale for that as well.
Yeah.
Well, first and the most important point is saving income tax. So home loan gives you major benefit from income tax perspective.
Okay.
The principal amount, the entire principal amount saves tax under Section 80C, and the entire interest amount up to 2 lakhs obviously saves your tax under Section 24B. So there you save almost 20% income tax on both principal and interest, which can be close to a lakh of rupees if you're close to 1 lakh. So that's a very good savings. On the other hand, if you've seen since last 3 to 4 years, RBI has been cutting a repo rate a lot.
Yeah.
Not happened in the recent past in last 3-4 monetary policies though, but initially, if you see many years ago, we had home loan rates specifically
around
10%, and right now your rate of interest is close to 7%. Is it? Yeah,
Yeah.
perfect. Great. So with this, what we believe is that the rate of interest might keep going down in near future, and that will keep reducing the rate of interest of our home loan as well. Now, as the rate of interest of home loan goes down, the number of EMIs get reduced.
Yeah.
Well, in this way, you will be also able to finish off with your loan before the number of months left. Another good part, since the rate of interest is very low, we can take the arbitrage benefit by investing the lump sum capital into some avenues like mutual funds or stock, which can generate 10 to 12% of annualized returns for us, and this will lead to generating a very good portfolio for you. Plus, bank never tells you to pay a lump sum amount. Bank wants their rate of interest. That's it. They want just EMIs. They want to earn interest on that. That's it. So we don't need to see what bank is earning. What we have to see is what we are gaining.
Yeah, that is the calculation.
That is the calculation.
Bank is getting richer because of my money.
But then we'll have to just take it out of our mind what bank is doing. We have to just think about what we can do with our money. Now, another good question that I have for you is that if we pay off the entire amount to bank, how much time are we going to take to generate the same cash flow? 15 lakhs is a big amount.
Yeah, it should
take a longer, right? But today, if we invest 15 lakhs at, say, around, considering 10% CAGR growth, maybe we can double the money in less than 5 years, if I'm not wrong. Maybe 5 to 7 years. So, in this case of your current scenario, we can recommend you to invest the money and continue paying your EMIs, because you never know. In case in future, if there are rainy days, we will also have a lump sum amount for that, reserve as a contingency. If it was a personal loan or any other loan which was going at a very higher rate like 20% or more than 15-16%, would have been a different story altogether.
Then I should pay off
that would have been a different, yes. Then we would have recommended you to pay that off if the rates are very high. So I think that answers the question.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
So what's going to be your decision then?
Now you have to help me.
Absolutely.
Where to invest.
Yes, absolutely. We'll definitely help you with the asset allocation and ensure that we bring 10 to 12% CAGR growth at least till the time your home loan is running.
Thank you so much.
Great. Thank you very much. Hey guys, so you've just seen the discussion between me and our client, and we regularly encounter such queries from many of our clients. They are always in their dilemma whether to pay off the loan or to invest their savings. Now that totally depends on various factors, and we always sit across the table or we get connected over the phone, we discuss, we ask loads of questions to our clients, and then we come to the conclusion whether paying a loan or investing the savings is the right choice. Well, and if you are in a dilemma like this, please fill the form. Link is available in description. So this is Samir Joshi signing off. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and if you have any queries, please write us in the comment section. Thank you very much.